Buying bread? With Breadcoin. Getting your hair cut? With Barbercoin. Shopping on Amazon? With Amazon Coin. Welcome to the tokenized economy, where everything is a currency. Today's video is probably the most important I've done so far. If you're not into crypto, this video might convince you. If you're a Bitcoin maxi, this might get you the idea that altcoins aren't this stupid, and if you're already into crypto all over, this might make you even more bullish than you actually are right now. So what if I told you that in the future you won't buy your coffee with dollars or euro, you will buy it with Tesla or Amazon or Microsoft? This sounds insane, maybe, but it's coming, and I'll show you how. Let's talk about the future of ownership, investment, and financial freedom. Let's talk about the Tokenomy, the tokenized economy. So let's establish something that guides us through the video. We start with a clothing brand by an unknown man or woman. We'll call it Mega Shirts. It grows, people love it. The young and enthusiastic entrepreneur wants to raise more capital to expand the business. What's the next step? Well, in today's world, it goes like the following. You need to jump through 10 miles of legal hoops, spend thousands on lawyers and regulation, deal with traditional banks, underwriters and middlemen. Maybe one day you'll get listed on the stock market, and now you're trapped serving shareholders instead of your customers, and it all goes downhill from there. We see that from time to time. The gaming legend Blizzard went down after they got public. If you've played recent games or read news about Blizzard, it's almost all negative. Because this is what going public looks like. It's expensive, it's slow, you lose your autonomy, and most small businesses never even make it this far. In short, stocks are dinosaurs. I mean, that stuff can only be traded on weekdays. Are we even serious here? So what if our clothing brand could simply launch MST, Mega Shirt Token, and let the world invest instantly? This is just the beginning. I will go through this idea step by step. In the world of tokenomics, every business can tokenize itself, and it could look like this. MST goes live on Ethereum, Solana, or any other blockchain. It represents ownership, just like stock. But it's more than a stock. It can be used for payments, rewards, voting rights, and even loyalty points. Think of special services for token holders, NFTs to take part in events, airdrops for people who wear mega shirts in public, payback options, and many more. Imagine this. You buy shirts from Mega Shirts. You get payback in MST as a reward. You pay with MST to get discounts, or you trade MST on the open market. Maybe your local pizza store accepts MST because they shop their clothes there anyway. Or someone else wants to buy it because they simply believe in the brand. The market and the people will do their thing. Let's expand the idea. Maybe there will be big tokens. Imagine real estate token, a company that manages to get ahead in the tokenization of real estate, and now a big chunk of the real estate market runs on real estate token. Now you don't have to invest in real estate anymore because you can invest in pretty much all real estate with one buy, and this is the cool thing, pay with real estate at your local grocery store. Pay your neighbor's kids for mowing the lawn with it, or trade it for Mega Shirt tokens or any other brand you like that's tokenized. That's the tokenized economy. A world where value flows directly between people and businesses, without Wall Street and the banksters in the middle. This is freedom squared, the ultimate open market. The future isn't just cooler, it's also fairer. Let's go through this. More access and inclusion. Now anyone can invest in small businesses, not just accredited investors. Everything is tokenized and fractionalized. Even unattainable investments like real estate become a realistic investment choice for all the people. Billions of people around the world become micro shareholders of pretty much everything. More transparency. You can look into your crypto wallet and see the economy. Check your portfolio, no problem, just open your wallet. Check the markets? No problem, just open your wallet. Everyone becomes a financial being. Your tokens represent your values, your community, and your spending habits. More power to the people. If someone wins a token for his company and it turns out a fraud to rip people off, the business goes down with the issuer and with it, the issuer's reputation. Your digital reputation is on the line. So, business have to be careful about their tokenomics. They have to be careful what they do with their token because they have to look out how they are represented in the tokenomy. More financial education. People will finally have to care about what they hold, what they pay with, and what things are worth. Financial awareness becomes more natural. Financial education is mandatory, which creates a world where everyone can thrive, not just the few. Of course, there is a twist to all of this. In a world with thousands of business tokens, you need a common denominator, a base layer, a standard. That standard, of course, will be Bitcoin. Just like gold used to be a reference point for all currency, Bitcoin becomes the unit of account. The things you measure all other tokens against. Don't want to trade your mega shirt tokens at your barber's shop? Well, use Bitcoin instead. So while you tip with Amazon coin or real estate or mega shirt token, everything is ultimately priced in sats. This is what it always meant. No more currency manipulation, no more money printers, just real, trackable value measured against the ultimate scarcity and neutrality. You heard it right. In the tokenomy, everything bows down to the king of coins. Bitcoin and sats will be the most natural thing to use in the tokenomy. Do you have a dollar, sir? Becomes, have some sats, bro? Look, I get it. Some Bitcoin maxis might roll their eyes now and they say, no, Bitcoin is money, everything else is a scam. There will be an untrackable amount of shitcoins. But there's the thing, not every token has to be money. Some tokens represent equity, access, loyalty, use case, or culture. If we want real adoption, a truly decentralized future, we need more than just the perfect store of value. Let me be clear here. Without it, all of this is not possible. So the center of this new solar system is the ever-shining light of Bitcoin. We need a fully decentralized and fair economy. And that means tokenizing the world with a Bitcoin standard. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Tokenomy. Before we come to a conclusion, let's wrap this up. The future I see looks like this. Bitcoin is the neutral base. Tokens are representations of pretty much everything we create, every service, everything we build, and all created value. A world where anyone can be an investor, go public, be financial free. A financial system where everyone is everything all at the same time. Shareholder, broker, banker. No more gatekeepers. No more suits deciding who gets rich. Just people, value, freedom. If this video made something click in your head, hit the like and subscribe button. Drop a comment. Do you think the idea of the tokenomy is a good one or a bad one? Let's build this future together. And see you in the next one. Bye.